I inherited my father's passion for history. He would be excited about some piece of history he found, and he wanted me to know all the details, especially if it has to do something with our family name. I guess that's why sociology and history are the topics that I'm always interested to explore. Early in my research, I came across a woman with the same last name as mine. Marija Popovic was a Serbian first female lawyer. As I looked deeper, I found out that she was helping poor people as a lawyer, and she was also a well-respected teacher and a wife of a famous Serbian poet, Sime Milutinović Sarajlije. I learned because of her education, she was respected by men around her. It made me happy to realize that she was given credit for her efforts. She is still mentioned in our newspaper as the first woman lawyer on our territory, but we unfortunately don't know how she looked like. We just know how her husband looked like. However, when I continued my research about Marija, I found out that the first woman lawyer wasn't her. It was Katarina Marković Langold. She was the first woman who got a lawyer degree in 1933 and practiced law in Serbia, even though women didn't have the right to vote until 1945. Katarina was born in a respected family in Petrovaradin. She studied in Novi Sad and Subotica and became the first female lawyer in 1933. You can see her diploma on the internet. At the same time, women didn't have the right to vote, but she was able to provide for herself and to work as a lawyer who helped divorced women in our country because she was also divorced. She fought for women's rights during her career. She founded women movements across Vojvodina and spoke publicly about women's issues, like all the famous feminists all around the world. However, there is so little evidence of that, just posters and testimony of people who knew her. She died tragically in one of the biggest rail accidents ever when she was traveling to Zagreb. Her work and her name should not be forgotten. She should be an important part of collective memory for women of Petrovaradin and women from Vojvodina and Serbia. That is the reason why we should keep exploring our history just like my father does.